All right, the next subject is a tree that is fairly easy to identify from its bark. It's not going to be super common in warm areas because it's a northern tree. And this is a oak tree. It's very tall. You can see that it's like going way up there before we see any leaves, but I've got some leaves to show you. The descriptor of this bark is usually that it looks like a river of water is flowing down it. So that bark that looks like this, where it looks like it's kind of got a bunch of streams of water going up and down it, is northern red oak. And let me show you the leaves. These are some leaves that have fallen from this particular oak. Now, northern red oak will be in cooler areas. It won't be throughout all of the state, and especially won't be like in Texas or along the Gulf Coast. But there's some features about this particular plant that we can highlight here. So look at the tip of this lobe here. So if we look at the tip of that lobe, there's a little bristle on the end of it. These little bristles separate out the red oak group from the white oak group. Red oak group, which includes a lot of different species, has little bristle tips. So you want to always look for those little bristles. If they have bristles, then they are in the red oak group. And that helps some because it separates out a big bunch of oaks from others. So this is a member of the red oak group, obviously, and it is northern red oak. It's very different from southern red oak, which we have lots of here, although the leaf tip, the apex of the leaf, will look somewhat similar to southern red oak. This can often be confused with black oak, so you want to be able to get pictures of not just the leaves, but also the bark, and also can look like shoe-marred oak. So you want to get bark and leaves. Northern red oak, Quercus rubra.